Migos project?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo,
Kaya nanood
definitely.
ka dahil pag meron kami madiscover na may ghost project, pakukulong kita rito. Minimum totoo.
Wala po talaga.
Meron ka mga...
Madami po kaming sinasabi. I really don't have the figures right now,
You know,
but I
if you
can...
come here, you have to come here prepared.
Yes
You do
po.
not come here unprepared. Alam mo, natatanungin ka eh. Ikaw sikat na contractor, papa-interview ka. Oh. You have to come here prepared.
Your Honor, I am prepared for the flood control projects.
Actually speaking in behalf of Alpha Phi Omega. Eh kanina sinabi mo, ikaw may-ari ng Siam. Why can't you answer in behalf of the 8 remaining companies?
Kasi po, yun lang yung na-prepare po namin for today's hearing.
Oh, what about the representative of the other construction companies?
Greater detail, itong mga kumpanyang ito. Ito po, Mr. Chair, SP Pro Temp. Siyam na calling cards nung siyam na kumpanya, lahat sa pangalan ni Pacifico o Curly Discaya. So dapat po mas alam po, both ni Ms. Sara Discaya at Ms. Roma Discaya Rimando, ang mga detalye na tinatanong ni SP Pro Temp. Salamat, Mr. Chair at SP Pro
Thank you,
Temp.
Senator Risa. Okay, for the record,